situation
amount of men, they don't know what they feel.
Yeah,
and that is the truth. Ati men struggle to open up.
Yes.
That's a wrong line
Where?
or wrong statement.
Okay.
Do men open up?
like the system kidogo inakuwa ni very unforgiving maybe if you show any type of weakness. Si ati ni kuna watu waonyeshi, na pia kuna mtu akionyesha maybe
Atakuwa labeled weak.
they have their own intentions pia.
Hey.
Kuna there are cases nimepata mtu like he was crying on the
camera?
internet, on TikTok na nini. Kumbe is a con guy, is a con artist.
Anataka
Like sasa
kushinda
huyo
watu pesa.
for those people who are opening up out there, huyo anaonyesha nini? Atijui mpaka anagawa watoto, atijui watu wameshinda kule, amegawa watoto mpaka kuna watu wamejitolea wanamshika huyo. Like you see such I'm open up but it's not genuine.
So the last man who opened up was calling people. That's why this thing is not true. Men should not open up.
Yeah. We don't have real channels at ya kuvent this kwa sababu zingine ukisema they're harmful than they're helpful. So
But this is your life partner Uzal and Shahali.
ndio
Ni
nakwambia
nini inakuwa ngumu hivyo uwezi
it's
kumwambia?
theoretically ni rahisi kusema.
On paper,
On paper it's very easy to say that ni nini hiyo.
Yes,
But
ni nini
now-
hiyo? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome to another episode of Half Full. My name is Zuhramula.
Sheikh Ali Mwega.
Uzale show.
Now, this one is going to be one of the difficult podcasts, or rather episodes that we're going to have. But well,
Hard for who? For the
hard
listeners,
for me.
for
I think
you, for
hard
us.
for me.
Hard to listen, which is the hard part.
We
Kusema
are
ama
going to
kuongelea.
define that later
Okay,
on.
sawa.
Today we are talking about why men struggle to open up. And on the set I have two men. Well, let's see if it is true. Whether they actually struggle to open up, or maybe it's just a facade, maybe it's not true. Why do guys struggle
Or
to
maybe you
open
have the
up?
wrong
You
guess.
see,
Or maybe I have the wrong guess.
guess. Open up.
The
You
worst
see, you-
specimen. Yeah, the worst specimen.
You need to
Let
first.
me soldier on,
No,
yeah?
let's first fix. Ati men struggle to open up.
Yes.
That's a wrong line or
where?
wrong statement.
Okay.
Do men open up? There is no struggle. Either they open up or they
But they
don't.
don't.
Yeah.
It's simple as that.
Hapo katikati hakuna.
So
Ni
do
kidogo
you
sana.
do you go with the same?
Yeah, I agree with my fellow
So
man.
like men, oh my goodness. so it's not like you struggle open up.
It depends.
So you are
If it's-
either
no,
on-
I want
on-
to now
on-
we want to
on the
define this
extreme
opening
end.
up. What is
You
opening
see-
up? Like
you see,
why are
that's
we
the question that we need to
Okay.
understand. What is opening up?
Now, putting opening up in this context for today, okay, where someone is vulnerable enough to share some of the challenges probably they're going through. Could be family, could be personal issues, yeah? Yani, you don't feel... Look at how you're looking at
No,
me.
I'm
now.
trying to
Tunasikiza,
think.
we are trying to
You see,
internalize.
in my mind,
Sasa-
najaribu kujiuliza.
tunataka kuelewa.
You see,
You're
when,
already judging
Hataki
me.
kumiss
kama
swali
nini
yako.
unajaribu
Sitaki kumiss swali
kuniambia.
yako.
you see, at the same time that you're talking, my mind is also working. It's not making faces. Uendelea kuongea.
But you get the gist of opening up, yeah?
Digesting.
What?
You get the idea
Oh.
of the opening up that I'm talking about. So you could
Talk
be,
about your problems.
yeah, like just share about the issues that you have. Like for us women, I don't think we have an issue with sharing our issues. Could be personal, relationship. Like I could meet my girlfriend and I'm like, hey, so I'm going through this and that. Can you help me out? Like, how do I go about this? Now, for you men, is it the same?
Yes, juzi nilikuja kwa ofisi and I told everyone my struggle. Kulikuwa kuna traffic kwa Ngong Road.
Okay, no, not those kind of struggles.
It was a struggle.
No.
Like baka inabidi ushuke utembee.
Chef, no, that there's no point of vulnerability in that story of yours. Everyone goes through traffic issues. It's
the
nothing
problems
new.
that you go through.
Okay, let's talk
people
about
watu wengine waendi go through.
let's talk about relationship issues. Zile vitu zenye where like they're so important to you, like you are selective with people that you share with them.
Yeah, hii vulnerability I still don't get the definition kwa sababu definition I'm understanding ni ile atikuwa like let's say for example leo let's say nilipigana maybe na wife ama nini, like should I share that like just randomly?
like that's what I've said.
There's a channel to that,
You're
maybe.
being selective on whom you share this information with. It's
Yeah.
not everyone, but at least kuna yule mtu mwenye unajua unaweza kuongea na
na
yeye.
pia sometimes
Mtu wa
maybe
nduthi.
you know
Jua utakutana naye tena.
maybe
They
inaweza
usually
kuwa-
start the talk.
yeah
So it's not you sharing, it's them.
Sasa niwachane na bibi yangu ama tubaki pamoja kupatia story. Sasa wanasema wewe unaonaje? Nibaki na yeye ama tuachane?
So there's a possibility that you open up, maybe not just in formal
not
settings.
in these channels ambayo maybe they are like the way you define that you to your
Your friend.
friends and what
You don't speak
not
like
really.
open up with
There are things
your
you
friends.
can talk but there's an extent to which you can go to maybe into details ama nini na
But-
pia there's some topics maybe they are not that si rahisi kushare and you're not sharing
Utanisaidia aje?
because
Utanisaidia na mawazo to think through the problem.
Mawazo
sometimes
yangu.
you're just sharing information unatoa information too na ule mtu you just giving them information na they are not in the
You see
capacity
there
to help
is a
you.
thing. Yeah.
Maybe it will help you maybe umevent but now you're giving out
At least
information
una feel relieved.
probably,
Or maybe they were in the same
probably
issue wakapata a
probably-
way out.
probably
Sasa
still
tuna
venting.
bond na rafiki yetu through trauma.
Okay, not trauma kwa sababu trauma issue ni yako Sheikh. Mimi niko hapa hivi kukusikiza na kukwambia, "Oh, you guys fought
I'm not
yesterday.
speaking
Man,
my
I'm so
point.
sorry
Atakuwa
about
tu ni
that."
Sasa, Sasa
Kwani,
utadu-
okay, kama wanafanya hivyo kwani
Utadu-
how do you like pick your friends?
that's
See,
another
these are
issue.
that's a whole different
That's
topic.
another topic.
But now, okay, Susan now. Assume I am Abdallah for today. And there's Shahali.
Abdalla kuna mlana ndevu.
zangu zimekataa kumea. Now, like maybe, could you say there are some things that you consider very personal to you, you will share with me and you will not share with Ali?
Yes.
Yes.
Depending pia na relation, maybe you are my cousin, you are my brother, you are my maybe childhood friend, maybe tumejuana, you're close to me
Through
like a
thick and
brother.
thin.
Like there's so many dynamics. Hatuwezi tu kuwa like just
Open
that
to
Yes,
everyone.
that is my friend. Na pengine hata wewe ujiconsider my friend.
Ouch.
Mimi ndo najiconsider your friend.
Ouch.
So like
You see most
sasa naenda kuambia kitu you might say so mbona niambie hivi. Maybe I
Kwani
might not stop you.
haulizangi mtu, can you be my best friend first?
How old are
How
you?
do you do that?
How do you do that? So unajifix tu kwa friendship hivyo?
Sasa-
So you went to ask your friends like, can
Like,
you
hey,
be my
can
best
you be
friend?
my
Do
best
you ask
friend?
that?
Can
You
you be my
propose.
friend?
Do you propose to your friend to be your friend?
Okay, labda ye mwelewi, but
No, that's another. You want to tell you.
maybe we'll get to
That's another
discuss
thing,
that
like, how
other
do you-
time.
Si mnakutana kama bwana. Mnakutana kila siku, you spend time together, you talk about general things and through general things mnapandishana level.
First of all, you have
Mnaenda tu
to
hivyo.
define kwanza wanaume wanakuwaje marafiki. How do you do
Okay,
that?
how does that happen?
Top
tell me.
secret. Top secret.
Oh, please, no
But
way.
in the short version,
leo episode
sikiza
ilikuwa
basi,
yenu.
the short version ni ile like maybe this person you've known each other for a few years nini trust levels, maybe I trust you with some things, you trust me with some things, so it's something that you build pole pole, like trust levels nini. I can maybe help you something, yani it's almost transactional in a way. So with that ndo unaweza sema this person I
Naweza
consider them
mwambia
my
shida
friend,
zangu.
but si ati mna propose.
So unajikuta tu we ni beshte ya mtu.
Yeah,
We ni
it's
BFF
almost
na
like
ujui.
it's automatic maybe when your morals and your values align maybe.
Aha.
Unakuta maybe mimi si, for example, not that Muslims wanakunywa, but nasema mimi sikunywi. Si ati Muslims wakunywa kuna yangu, but you get the
Was
point.
supposed kukunywa.
Yeah, so unakuta maybe they are involving in such activities.
Wanapatana watu wa jaba.
So,
That you don't
eh,
uphold
mimi
as
watu wa
an
Mosi
individual.
wanapatana.
wewe unachana mimi sichani, so base yako si base yangu, so
Hakuna siku mtu tutapatana.
definitely unakuta cannot be that friend type of friendship. So wewe itakuwa ni friendship yako, nisaidie chwani ninunue mgokani, sasa ni wish gani, like unakuta there are levels to it. So
Kuna mali lazima mkue mnakutana.
at least most of the things
So hiyo ndo channel ya kwanza ya kuweza kuopen up ama kushare issues.
it can help.
It has to
It
be
will
someone
help.
whom you trust.
Yeah, you will help. Kwa
Sure.
sababu at least I know my information.
You're not convinced.
No, mimi nimepea in my own perspective.
Yes.
Mimi naweza taka kuchagua rafiki,
Uh-huh.
someone who maybe you align morally, culturally, ni vitu mingi, like a lot of dynamics. So ukiona vitu mingi zina align, this guy,
Like at least I can open up to them.
yeah, like
they become your G's.
I'm not sure.
You're not convinced.
You
Shell. Tell us your version.
And opening up and being friends are two different things.
Yeah.
Ooh la la.
Uh-huh.
What do you mean?
No, you see, as I said, funniest thing, people like kama huyo mtu Anduthi, labda atajai kuongea na rafiki zake about that story. Yes, lakini mimi amenipatia. He opened up to me.
Jonathan utakutana na yeye tena?
You see, the question is friendship, like talking, ama vulnerability wewe mwenyewe based on your definition, that's a correct way of vulnerability. Mjamaa ameamua kuongea, even though ataniangalia naangalia mbele.
hata kumbuka sura yako.
Hapo inapita tu ikienda na
Hawezi kumbuka sura yako
wing. Huko tu
Yeah,
It's just venting.
hata sana amevaa kofia hata mkikutana.
Alafu siku hizi bike electric they are very silent, so hata mnaongea vizuri zaidi.
But
Lakini
now-
hiyo kofia inafanya hata mimi sisikii sauti yao.
Na wind.
Now, Sheikh, you've mentioned about that motorbike guy who's ready to open up or share
Yes.
about
But
his,
I was not his friend.
his marital issues with you, who's a stranger. What are some of the reasons we'll say can ascribe to such a situation? What is contributing to that? Like nimekutana tu na
Judgment.
customer wangu and then judgment, fear of
Taki
judgment.
Yeah. Because
So-
if I tell you my problems, wewe tutai kutana, so this information is dead to you, like it's not relevant to you, so hakuna mahali utaipeleka. Like
So
I'm
should
a
we
confide
consider
to you.
it category of trust? You see, trust, it has different branches. Yes, kama saizi I trust Zuhra. Ama umejita Abdul.
Abdallah, for today,
Kwani Abdallah?
for this
Kwa uko na
episode,
Kiswahili mzuri.
servant of Allah.
Anyway, so trusting Abdallah. You see, trusting it has different forms. Number one is I'm sure you stay with the information. Yes, or I trust you do the right thing with the information. Because kama saizi mimi wewe niambie like niko na shida ya pesa, okay, I trust you ubaki na hiyo siri. I trust you nipatie
So
pesa.
does it mean kwa hii circle yako,
different level
kwa
of
hii
trust.
circle yako kuna mtu utambia stories za marriage, kuna mwenye utambia stories za pesa?
Exactly.
So-
For real? Okay, so
Endelea.
hakui
So,
career wa kila kitu.
we endelea. See, men have other responsibility. Anyway, so
No, just open up,
The
Sheikh.
dynamics
It's
are
fine.
different.
we are talking about the how. So and then you see that's a category. There is another category of trust. Yenye inakuwa ni gani? Ni what would you think about me?
So like how would you judge me? How do you view me? How do you
Yes.
perceive
Now,
me as a person?
there's a level of opening up, it's dangerous kwamba you might mistake me for a fraud or something.
Side
You
ya
see-
pesa labda.
Not necessarily pesa.
Sasa, you
It's
see,
a whole
funniest
dynamic
thing,
combo,
you
yeah.
see that fraud part is a mental condition, funniest thing, ama situation, yes, where sometimes we
The truth is worse than the
Than the facade
yes,
that I'm
sasa
trying
unaona
to put up.
sometimes we are trying also to put up the facade ama maybe a strong
facade
man,
is
a cool
better, yeah.
guy. Yes, mjamaa na undagwa kila siku na bibi yake.
Like
Hawezi
the
kuongea.
society expects you to be the man of the house.
Yes,
Sindio?
unakuja
Alafu unakuja
unapigwa.
unatuambia ati
Ati
you're
bwana
being
jana
betrayed.
nimeundwa vibaya my friend bana.
or sometimes unakuta there's this example unakuta maybe everything you try it fails. And then
Example,
for example let's say mtu anatafuta job ndio mtafuta job alafu haujapata yet kuna mtu ulikuwa umesha maybe umeomba pesa ama nini unasema ati kuna hii kitu acha nitafute nafanya hivi na hivi na hivi then it fails then you give up another, you know you have to have plan B C D so you go to
Plan
another,
Abdallah,
you go
plan
to the
Ali,
other
plan
person
Jafar.
you go to the other, this is about trust I'm talking about trust imefail ukweli then you go to another the same person you try another thing unaambia nijaribu hivi na hivi na hivi na hivi it fails again then you try another, so you see it's failing but the person is assuming
inatengeneza a pattern.
huyu jamaa
Labda
anaonaje
anatumia
huyu
pesa vibaya.
or maybe he's doing so there's a level of unakuta I trust the person but unakuta if I continue giving the truth I'd rather ungedanganya from the beginning sema in next week hiyo plan hiyo nini maybe atakurudisha pesa yako or something like that unakuta I lied to you because if I said the truth na maybe next week ifika nikurudisha pesa yako kweli, but now if I keep telling you every step of the way what's happening, You see,
That's oversharing.
Sometimes in
yeah,
a
like
unbelievable.
like I trust you, but you see it becomes another thing.
Okay, now let
So
us
that
speak.
opening up hapo itakuwa ni detrimental to your
So you'll rather keep it to yourself,
yeah,
like half false and half true.
half full.
Full.
Now let us speak about the society expecting men to act strong and not to feel any emotion. Like at the end of the day, we are all human beings, whether you're a man or you are a female. Do you guys maybe okay? Let's start from the basics. How do you express your strong emotions? Maybe anger, sadness, you depressed. How do you do that?
Kila mtu akona their own way of doing it.
Mm-hmm.
It's personal to everyone maybe.
You can go and walk outside.
Yeah.
Very good.
Kuna mwingine maybe anaamua like leo naingia kitanda saa 2 ya usiku.
Hakuna zile telltale
Like,
signs zenye nikiona
naingia saa 2 data
nasema
off.
huyu leo huyu
Data
ako na
off,
shida.
ikifika 5 kesho I'm very fresh. Like
We.
wewe yako ni hiyo like recharging tosha. Recharging inakutosha. Ukiamka kesho ni mtu tofauti.
So let the brain swipe it down there.
Like maybe
The
sasa
rug.
ulikuwa you had a foggy mind, foggy brain, maybe umechoka so you are not making good decisions.
Yeah.
So unasema tu if I switch off ndakuwa niko sawa.
Now in such a scenario, yeah, you walking outside or maybe sleeping a lot, and then the society is expecting you like kesho bado uamke uende kazi. Yeah, kesho bado you need to be this present dad, present husband.
Yeah.
How are you able to manage that?
So ndio like ndio nasema it's personal to everyone. You have to develop your own
These are
coping
coping
mechanism.
mechanisms.
Yeah.
But
Kuna
in the
zingine
long
ni
run,
extreme, zingine ni maybe kuna mwingine ana opt to do drugs of which maybe is to extreme like it's not the
by way,
best.
na kuna watu wa kutumia vitu zingine.
Yeah, like unaona sasa
Nani?
Jaba,
ukitumia yeah,
sijui
a lot of
pombe,
things.
sijui nini
Hiyo ndio
unfortunately.
your only way of coping like kila
That's
mtu ana-
coping, but in reality the question remains. Yes, you see kuna vile she's saying kuna expectations of the society and there is what you have learned. Yes, and you see unajua kuna category tofauti kiingia. We're African and we are men. So you have double layer of things you have taught ama you are never shown.
but they are just
you have to-
unwritten.
we
Yes,
adapt
they
to
are
kids
unwritten.
yako
You
with your
umejikuta
experiences,
hivyo.
yeah.
Like ujaikuta labda let's say babako kulalamika vitu fani
Yeah, akiambua kuna hii ananyamaza tu na anatoa pesa ama ata make sure
Kama
ni-
iko
Ama
na pesa,
anasema
ama
kesho,
Ndio, like,
kesho
anaweza
tutaangalia
anaweza
hiyo
kosa
maneno.
kukataa.
Yes.
Anasema sina pesa but hivi it's there. Even if it's not on time but
That's-
it's there.
saizi now that you are married unajua mjamaa alienda kutafuta pesa.
Unajua yenyewe inakosanga. Saa ingine unaambua kitu fulani maybe sawa lakini
Unajua tu ni kunoma.
so these dynamics ni mingi like you cannot just ndio vile amesema there are many layers to it.
Yes, so uwezi tu kuamka tu siku moja useme ati ukuwe vulnerable. Like it is not something that you have seen. Unajua most kids they learn through examples. Vile watu wanaishi around them nini. Kama if you have not seen anything and you grow up and then you have problems, you don't know how, cause unaona hata mtu mwingine ujaona akikuwa iko nazo. So unaenda kuambia nani mwenye hakuna mtu yuko na hiyo issue
You'll be
kama yako.
surprised.
No,
You'll be
you see,
surprised.
you see,
That
no,
listen,
kuna
listen,
tofauti.
wait, chef.
Kuna
Simply
tofauti.
because-
There is a difference
wait,
between
wait.
being surprised and surprised people.
What? Give us an example. That's
No.
deep. No, okay, listen. You'll be surprised that maybe you are experiencing the same issue. Probably Uzal mahali yako, he is also going through the same issue, in the same case with other men out here. But simply because you are not sharing, ama utaki kumwambia Uzal, you feel like this problem is just happening to you alone and it's so new to you. But if you master the courage, okay, ujambie leo wacha let us go and seek help. Umwambie Uzal atakwambia, I've also had the same issue and this is how I went about it. Won't that help you as a man?
On paper, yes.
Well, what do you mean on paper?
Theoretically.
Theoretically, yes. But the question is, again, I repeat, there is a difference between being
Practicalities,
surprised and surprising people. Utaenda kushtua watu uko na shida huko nje.
Ama uzala anze kusema shek.
Kumbe unapitia hizi shida mingi kama hizo. Yepe iko na shida obviously. Hai chance hata ongea.
So ni shida hamjakubali ama ni ile hautaki kuwa wendo uko na shida.
Shida ni ya nani?
Shida ni yako, but
exactly.
That
shida yako ni shida yako.
Haitoi the fact that Uzal might have experienced the same issue.
But ndio like unakuta hizi shida, you know, some of them maybe they don't need a solution.
Why? If it's a problem, then that means it needs a solution.
They say time will fix everything.
Sometimes
does it?
You
need to work on it, Sheikh. Cool. You need to put in some effort.
Sawa, tumekusikia.
Okay. I told you guys this episode was going to be quite difficult for me.
There are systems like unakuta, there are systems that are there wakati una shida. Maybe you have elder brother ama uncles ama nini, or very good friends. Maybe you have been mmejuana for a long time. People share. Si ati watu wa share. But sasa unakuta with the current livings vile watu siku hizi wanaishi in town setup. Like mimi ningekuwa sasa nyumbani, there are a lot of things you can share. Uko na uncle pale, uko na babu, uko na nani, uko na pengine babu kama yuko hai bado. There are things you can share now. Like you can get solutions, they can advise you on how to deal. But unakuta pia town setup kidogo, it's very predatory. Unakuta mtu si rahisi tu anze kushare information. You have to show a strong face in front of your fellow guys.
You have to be the man.
Because like the system kidogo inakuwa ni very unforgiving maybe if you show any type of weakness. Si ati ni kuna watu waonyeshi. Na pia kuna mtu akionyesha maybe
atakuwa labeled weak.
They have their own intentions pia. There are cases nimepata mtu like he was crying on the internet, on TikTok na nini. Kumbe is a con artist. Like sasa huyo, for those people who are opening up out there, huyo anaonyesha nini? Atijui mpaka anagawa watoto, atijui watu wameshinda kule, amegawa watoto. Mpaka kuna watu wamejitolea ndamshika huyo. Like you see, such I'm open up, but it's not genuine.
So the last man who opened up was calling that's why this thing is not true. Men should not open up.
Yeah, ameona yake ni opportunity ya biashara. Kukono watu nini.
Uzal, you've shared that at least kuna some platforms ama spaces ambazo some men wanapata nafasi ya kuweza ku-open up na kushare some of their problems, uncle, dad, and so much.
Cultural setup.
In cultural setup, especially maybe in the rural settings. But tukikuja town, we are
kila mtu kivyake, ujui hata jirani yako ni nani.
Yeah. Especially ukijikuta you are a person who's working from home, utashinda tu kwa hiyo nyumba. Like hautoki, haujui neighbor yako yukoaje.
Unakuta in such setups it's very hard to unaanza tu kufungukia watu. Like mtu atanaona mbona unanifungukia, nataka nini?
Is it possible or rather would you be okay with maybe opening up to maybe your wife or your loved ones, like your wife?
You can open up still. Certainly it's not unheard of, but like, there are levels of there are some
on
things
again, share.
Yeah, because there are some levels of opening up. Unamwongezea shida pia kwa sababu
wanasema mwenye ana suppose kutatua shida za nyumba kumbe yuko na shida pia.
Hapana.
No, helping.
See, the mountain only carries it never get
carried.
Hawa
watu wawili walikuja pamoja waishi, si ndio?
Theoretically
waishi, and then when it's like two heads are better than one.
I hope
if you can share some of the issues ambazo unapitia with your wife, at least inakupunguzia kiasi.
Kuna zingine don't need to share, maybe anaiona tu tayari.
Okay, maybe can you restrict it to maybe if you're having struggles at your workplace, maybe kama kuna things ambazo haziendi vizuri in your particular relationship.
But sasa is it kwamba these things haziendi sawa, but are they really hindering your duties, your mental state?
Unaweza kuamka tu asubuhi uende nje. I know someone was telling me a story, mjamaa alikuwa amefutwa job, asemi nyumbani. Yeye anatoka tu asubuhi anavaa suti, anaenda like park, anakaa huko, alafu saa kurudi anarudi na watu.
Yeah, because some problems, we don't have real channels at ya kuvent this. Kwa sababu zingine ukisema they're harmful than they're helpful. So
but this is your life partner Uzal and Shahali.
ndio
Ni
nakwambia,
nini inakuwa ngumu hivyo uwezi
it's
kumwambia?
theoretically ni rahisi kusema.
On paper,
On paper it's very easy to say that ni nini hiyo,
Yes,
but
ni nini
now-
hiyo?
but now fika hivi, for example umefika hivi, let's say you're not good with money maybe, alafu it's almost like 10 days to mwisho wa mwezi na una hata bob, na leo ndo anataka maybe let's say anataka hata the family, let's say waende hata to eat out or something, or just maybe some extravagant expenditure ni nini, na wewe hauna any.
Ukimwambia,
So utasema nini?
Utamwambia tu babe, leo tutachelewa kupata rent kwa sababu ya hii na hii. Najua nilikuwa nimewapromise kuwapeleka out, but leo hatutaweza. An understanding partner, okay? Because you guys decided to live together, you
Now
go married.
you assuming
Atakusaidia, atasema okay, ni sawa mume wangu, nimeelewa.
you assuming it's an understanding partner. You see now,
You see, wacha, I think by
Kwani
now
mlichagua jaji
Ah,
watu
ah,
wako
no,
hapa?
no, you
We'll
are
come to
applying-
that conversation some
no
other
you are
time.
you are assuming.
No, like ideally that's
No,
how
ma'am,
things
just-
are supposed to be.
Ideally yes.
Like if you tell me how things are, mimi nitaelewa, okay? Speaking as maybe in the position of a wife, nitajaribu kuelewa like things are not okay, that is why hatufanyi hivi na
Let
hivi.
me ask
But
you, Zola.
what
There are a lot of-
kama hautaniambia Uzal, mimi nitakuwa tu
Let me
Uzal
ask
hata
you.
provide, hata akituambia kitu hafanyi.
Let me
Hivyo
ask
ndo
you,
itakuwa.
Zohra, do you prefer to be married, yes, to a rich man or a poor man?
Sure.
No,
we are
no,
going,
no.
we are going off topic.
No, I just want you to answer.
No,
I
this
have
was
a
your
point.
episode.
I have a point.
No,
I
we are
want
trying
you to
to give you
understand
the
something.
like a
Uh-huh.
perspective.
You prefer a rich man, a wealthy man, or a
Okay
broke
man.
I will prefer someone who can take care of us, well, me and my family.
So it's rich man. Twende.
rich man? So now,
But you not
it's-
being okay, you just delaying to pay rent or not taking us out for once doesn't mean like you're poor and you can't
So-
take off the
no,
family.
you see, and
so why
sometimes-
are we
so
sticking
this
to
guy
financial
in
issues?
this guy
No,
in
he
his
asked a
mind.
question.
Now this guy in his mind knows, yes, you prefer him to continue being wealthy, and now he's been hit sometimes. Unajua financial
Economic
problems
imekuja.
huwa zinakujaga zina hit, yes,
Yeah.
and anajua this can go for 6 months, 1 year. Categorically, I'm poor, hata kama tunakaa maisha smart. So from that moment in his mind, asha make judgment.
Okay, no.
I'm not the person that she married.
Ngoja-
So,
kwa nini unajiweka hiyo kwa
atanifikiria
akili yako?
aje?
Mimi
Exactly.
haujaniambia ati uko na shida ya pesa, mimi nitajuaje?
Sasa
Nimekaa
uambie
na-
ndo
So-
mwache.
Nimekaa na wewe miaka 2 miaka 3.
Unaona? Waambie ndo mwache.
No. Don't switch this on me. Listen, unamwambia tu vizuri for the next few months vitu zitakuwa ngumu
I like
kiasi.
your ideal world bana.
Sure, si usubiri kwanza. Okay? Kwa sababu mmeamua kukaa pamoja, right? We should try to make this life good for both of us. Si ndio? So, for the next few months vitu zitabadilika kiasi. Sio mtu tu ushtuke ati Zuhra, we are moving or rather we are downgrading to a certain apartment.
Downgrading.
Yes, we are downgrading like, or maybe we need to move kwa sababu hatuwezi ku afford rent, na huku umeniambia like I don't know what's happening. Mimi niko tu naambiwa left, nenda left.
But sasa now that is
Just share how things are. Inakufanyia maisha yako pia ikuwe rahisi.
Very true.
Ama maybe men don't trust their partners, ama
it's not
wanahofia.
about trusting.
No, you see,
It will
again,
be-
I
It's not
repeat
about
again.
trusting.
You see, yes, I said the meaning of trust in different forms, yes, and how you do with that information. So basically, I think this part of the episode, we showed how we think.
You think.
We think.
Okay.
Yes, but in reality, unfortunately, world is not my way of thinking, nor your ideal way of thinking. That's when men have these mental issues. Unaona? Because unfortunately, growing up, ujui what is expressing feelings beside furaha ya kushinda football ama rugby, vitu kama hizo, si ndio? So these other emotions you have not learned.
Are you sure, share?
Ulifundisha.
Ngoja kwanza share.
Are you speaking for us? No, I just want to confirm. ulikuwa unatufundisha
by the virtue of being a human being.
No.
You can feel happy, you can feel sad, you can feel disappointed, you can feel
But
you
depressed.
can
Kumbuka.
feel but you see first of all kuna feeling na kuna expressions. These are two different things. One. Two, yes, and what does this feeling means? Pia, there
So
is
now you
something-
have felt angry, okay?
Yes.
Or you are feeling depressed at the moment. So how do you
Yes.
express it, for example?
my friend, that don't explainia.
Okay, sawa.
See not how you express it. I'm explaining. Yes.
Yeah.
So basically most people they don't know. Unaona? Utaona mtu labda I've met people with serious issues. Unaona mwangalia unaona this guy is going through depression. Lakini
Lakini
yeye
yeye
ukimwambia yeye haoni because they have never had wanasikiaga tu hizo vitu kwa movies.
Lakini like where's the disconnect?
Where was the connect to find the disconnect?
No, listen Sheikh. Wakati mtoto wa kiume anazaliwa na
Yes.
mtoto wa kike anazaliwa,
Yes.
mfano tumelelewa katika nyumba moja.
Yes.
Nikinunuliwa zawadi nitafurahi.
Yes.
Same na Uzala akinunuliwa zawadi atafurahi.
Yes.
Okay? Yeye
Keep in
akiadhibiwa.
mind, girls are more prone to get more gifts than men.
Okay,
Growing
sawa.
up.
Haya,
And continuing life.
Haya, Uzala akiadhibiwa kwa sababu imefanya makosa atasikia vibaya. And same case with
But
me.
again, kijana
Now we have
atapigwa
now-
vibaya zaidi.
No, Sheikh.
Yeah.
Hii
Kama
wewe
mbwa kujia
umejekea
msikitini.
kwa
Anapigwa
pili.
teke.
Hapana.
Msichana
teke.
ataambiwa,
No.
mutamwari msichana. So
Now you have
we are talking
grown up.
about degrees.
Ngoja-
So wewe unaongea perfect word bana. We are not in a perfect
Ngoja
word.
kwanza,
You're-
Sheikh.
you're-
We are not in an
Tukishakuwa
equal word. Wewe
wakubwa-
kwa nini unapigania
How are you
sijui
telling
GBV?
me
You're
you
creating-
are not able to recognize I am feeling angry right now?
I don't,
My friend,
you know,
I'm telling you,
there's
good
situations
amount
like,
of men they don't know what they feel.
yeah, you
And that
do-
is the truth.
That is
so
sad.
unakuta saa ingine it's
They can't
easier,
tell it's sad
some
because they
people,
don't know the feeling.
it's easier to just like umeamka nini, I want to get money, fika
Yes.
nyumbani,
You see,
rest,
You
repeat.
shut down the
Repeat.
the emotional
It's not about
part of
shutting
you.
down.
You have
Unaangalia what's the priority.
responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility, priorities ni nini.
Sasa
Unakuta
wewe
wengine
ukikaa na
they
huzuni
switch off.
utasaidia nani?
Yeah, they switch off like unakuta akona majukumu. There are some people unakuta mtu ana majukumu. Ame like kabisa amewacha, ameinua mikono. Ameamua tu kuswitch
Because
off
he can't
sasa.
take much of it.
Yeah, hizo haja chizi, hajafanya
I
nini.
remember there
Amesema tu enough. Like
There
yeye
was a
ako
time
tu
nilikuwa
tosha.
naongea na mjana mwingine rafiki yangu, so nikamwambia bwana, wewe saizi ya zamani you are not feeling well, hata sometimes sick. Yes, we are not even talking about mentally.
Sick physically.
Like physically.
You are physically sick, but not to a degree that you can't
Bedridden.
walk. Yes.
Unauma tu na kichwa lakini
Yes,
unaendelea
yes.
na
You will
kazi.
never hear
Tafuna
most
dawa,
men,
endelea.
yes, first of all kwanza kurest, sindio? One,
Hata wengine hawarest. Okay.
that's the truth. One. Two, yes, utamwona atenda tu kazini and they will do all of, kama saizi unaona mi niko na in our family, let's say niko na x amount of responsibility, I will do all of them without failing. Yes,
While still feeling sick.
yes.
Okay.
But unaweza kuta like your wife, your sister, maybe like the female in your family, leo ameamka asikii vizuri, si ndio? So
Ataambia kila mtu ni
ataambia
mgonjwa na
yeye
hatafanya
asikii vizuri
kazi.
na hatafanya kazi. But in our brain, like you have seen your mom that way, you have never seen your dad sick in like
Akionyesha
Like hata ikisemekana-
yeah.
ako
Me
weak.
growing up,
Ikisemekana
I
ni
think
mgonjwa.
my dad- me growing up, I think my dad only once ndo
Ulimwona.
alibaki nyumbani siku mbili he got sick. I only remember once.
So
Wachana
you
hizo sasa
grow
baadaye
up
now we are
kukuwa
growing up.
hivyo.
That is the example, like you push. So it means we see no one has communicated that.
It's just unwritten.
It's
Mwanaume
learned.
Yes. So
Umelearn
wewe
inafaa
saizi
kuwa
ukianza
hivi.
kujifanya mgonjwa, you are not like your
You're
dad,
not man enough.
so you are not man enough. And ukijifanya mgonjwa na kulalamika unaumwa
Some
nini,
opportunities
nini,
they pass
Yes.
you by uki
wewe labda ni like your mom and maybe your sister.
Utaambiwa
na
tuko
pia
na
it goes back to
umama, quote
societal
and quote,
pressures
yeah?
kwamba let's say it's an opportunity kwamba mna compete na mtu So wewe ukikubali kichwa kuweka chini
kisleki
ule like maybe you are seen as not hardworking, not that nini. So you see like competition society pia inakufanya you have to step up your game. So unakuta it's a stepping up game nini. So
kuna hiyo part
the end unakuta tu you have to suppress some things.
Now let us talk of maybe would you say that are there enough safe spaces maybe for you, given an opportunity where you don't feel judged, given an opportunity where you'll feel valued, okay?
I
have to disagree some
by who wanafikiria wanaume wanajajiwa na watu nje kwanza before themselves.
Okay,
the safe space is supposed to be here,
not outside. These setups, you know, they're quite so I like being
oh my god.
Alafu the other thing pia,
so you
men,
yourself you're not even a safe space for you.
Kama ungekuwa haungekuwa hivyo.
And
you the first person
I disagree. Chef, no, I disagree.
The first person to judge yourself. So no matter how, unaona, I'm judging the statement that comes out of me.
Oh Lord.
So unaona, so like, that sounded weak. You should not say something like
it doesn't give the aura of a man.
No. Sometimes ndio unakuta.
So first wanasema we can't get to those spaces when we are still in the same space.
This is a tragedy. So wait.
Did you discover that today?
No, it's shocking to hear it.
I can argue even the world is moving. Unajua kuna ile extreme parts kwamba mental illness na nini, mtu amechizi kwa sababu ya pressure na nini. But I can argue that the world is a bit stable and moves forward faster because of some decisions people make, like just compartmentalize ama nini and move on, like so, I'm not dismissing kwamba it's toxic, it might lead to, but nakuta ndo hivyo.
But okay, see,
I'm talking mi naongelea reality. Wewe kidogo hizo maswali zako they are bit.
Okay, so
una model swali, una model fit.
Yes, I'm not narrative on her side and not your side. That's again reality. There is a whole philosophical fight about what is reality. Unaona? So let's not get there that this is reality.
Like you kama saying a safe space. Kwanza me I'm talking in a perspective, this is Africa, this is Kenya. What is safe space? Ukisema like not being sarcastic, but ukuta ati there's a maybe a room or something ati mnaenda mnakaa discuss.
Okay, maybe let us define now our safe space, yeah? Safe space mahali penye you sharing how you feel, okay? You'll not be judged. Wachana na hiyo kujijudge wewe mwenyewe. Hiyo tutadeal nayo baadaye. Like a space whereby ideas zako ama your thoughts, they are welcome. Okay, like just come
ideas.
The way you are.
So these ideas, are they constructive? Like
no,
could be constructive
so
or not.
You see.
But
you are missing. You need to understand.
Chef, wait, let me explain a safe space for you ndo mwelewe kwanza.
No, we know. Uzal has a very good point before when Mbali.
Subiri kwanza.
Uzal has a very important point. You see, in a man's brain,
there's no safe.
No, what hiyo tushaongelea.
Categorizing.
Categorizing like unaona kama saizi.
Kuna shida kama tano.
Unaona can you fix it? Unaona Uzala muuliza nini? Nikienda huko shida yangu itakuwa fixed. No, we are just talking about the problem. Yes.
No,
but that going. Is a way of helping you solve the issue.
In our brain, that's not registration of solving a problem. That's whining.
No, pia ndio point nyingine ilikuwa nasema yani is it like the priority level yake inakaaje? Maybe niko na shida, simu yangu imeibiwa leo. Imeibiwa. Maybe you bought it iPhone 15, umeinunua pesa mingi sana, itakuuma. Or maybe umenyoshwa, mtu amekukona mahali kwa on the internet, umetaka delivery, amekukona. Lose like 50k, 60k. That's a problem, inakuuma. You can share it, but 50k yako itarudi. So that's a level of problem.
Okay.
You have a level of problem, sema familia yako, you are arguing with your wife, nini mna shida. There's a channel to that. Can it be solved? Yes or no? Yani, like I'm just trying to outline levels of problems ambayo gani na warrant it needs help, gani it just
so
we sikia uchungu ita wear out, kama ni 50k ita wear out yo uchungu, but you don't go like kama kuna ingine I don't know sijui kama maona ile it was a video surround nilikuwa na circulate kwamba jamaa fulani Nakuru he was just standing by kando ya barabara so jua Nakuru highways nakwanga tu kando ya town hivi so lorries napita katai mtu lori vizuri akalala like he didn't give him people chance to help him ama nini unajua kuna ile at least
to that topic very easily
no like inasema that was a
we were waiting
that was a yeah it was a problem
some of us could be triggered bwana unaweza kuta zile
probably jamaa alikuwa amelose pesa ama ame lose pesa ya
properly
you
don't know
in that moment here akona the best way kusort issue yake ni kujimaliza
acha tu niondoke
so
like
yes suicide
it's a big issue
about it Onasha Uzal let us maybe say our safe space for this episode okay is maybe going for counseling or seeking therapy sindio maybe with the example umetupatia ya this Nakuru guy maybe kama angesema okay hii shida yenye niko nayo I think I need to tell it to someone maybe who's a professional for them to assist me walk through this depression journey that is one of the safe spaces like huyu counselor ama psychologist yuko hapo hivyo kukusaidia kukusikiza shida yako and kama unahitaji dawa atakusaidia now some of these spaces are men maybe welcoming them are they embracing
you
it
speak like you an advertisement or World Health Organization
I don't know kuna
your framing
your framing are quite they are good they are good framings but
it's a counseling is a safe space
I'm trying to imagine mali na apply
first of all yes you see let's not go for men let me just ask as a woman yes
maybe I'll just speak for me okay.
Yes you speak for you yes no if you speak for you because you see you have been into mental health spaces you can't help us but in reality ukiangalia even like
ende mtu wa kawaida very mtu wa kawaida
mboga wa kawaida yes she has mental health issues si ndio yeye labda by venting out kuongea nini apunguze hiyo stress unaona but in reality yeye pia ukimuuliza about this counseling nini most people they don't know about that beside maybe an educated class this is you see counseling is a privilege in
it's almost like
yes,
kama privilege somehow
there's so many efforts that have been put
kuhakikisha
what are the outcome inakaje
you see counseling iko mpaka saizi we have like telecounseling and it's free of charge atwezi sema it's a privilege atwezi sema it's a privilege
we are talking in the practical
for some people it is
no it is there unless some mtu mwenye hamwe hataki kuchukua take your service
most people by percentage tukiangalia they don't know about this and how to wachana na efforts za watu venye ziko we are not talking about the effort kama saizi kuna hizi ugonjwa fani ziko government inajaribu kusijui kufanya nini
create awareness
yes awareness kama saizi HIV imeanza kupanda juu tena while the awareness is there the prevention
everything
is there
madawa mpaka ziko
so we are not talking about the effort I'm just saying realistically yes there is good amount of people as much as hata kama labda amesikia counseling they have no idea how to go about it unless there is you have an NGO imefika kwenu a group sijui hizi vitu zingine au hizi zinaitwaje hizi clinic za gava sijui zinaitwaje nini vitu kama hizo but not everyone that is one end but for men always unaona vitu kama hizi for men yes it is much higher tayari mwenyewe yuko na self preservation in talking about these things yes which already prevent him hata ushaikuona kama saizi ukifikiria white cars utaanza kuziona unaona so huyu mjamaa tayari afikiria about these things
ako in a bubble
yes yuko kwa bubble yake so tayari hataenda kufuatilia vitu kama hizo and in time it won't make it easy kwa sababu unaona kasa hizi mimi maybe sisi kwa sababu tunafanya kazi kwa some environments and we have been through maybe this for our community we have an understanding you see mimi nikiongea labda I'm joking about mtu anduthi nini mental health is a problem yes and again most men because based on what I've observed and seen and how we grew up yes first of all you don't talk about it wanasema this first rule
unangoja
of
ufike breaking point
no breaking point inakufikia so Yes.
Tusingoje ifikie hapo please. We are raising awareness.
No,
Kuna
the problem
telecounseling.
is, again, I repeat, unaona, wewe ujui kitu inakufikia kama ujui kwa hapo. Ushe kuona unaendesha kwa gari mmezima taa. That's how mental health is for most men. Kumezima taa mnaenda tu kama
dark,
it's dark
everywhere.
Sasa sometimes you don't even know you need help. So you try kama saizi ni moto imewaka, you don't have water ama ujui kama moto inazima,
Unatafuta painkiller tu.
unatumia painkiller.
Alafu maybe naweza sema
unachukua vitu
let's
zingine.
like maybe to try to customize the help they need, customize for certain communities. Kama unakuta Waafrika, you have to customize that type of help like unataka kuwasaidia, like know how to approach them. Kama utaenda maybe stage ya nduthi, maybe try to trigger them waongee na nini, something like that, like ukute find them where they are. Lakini kusema tu mtu ajilete
ni kuwapata mtu mmoja
No, sangine wazaenda hapo.
Kuna mmoja atakuharibia kampeni yako yote. Yes, mmoja ataongea na mmoja
but
atasema
like
wanaume nini,
the idea is the idea is ni kwamba try to go to them.
So this is to the ones who are offering this maybe therapy
if maybe change
services.
maybe with time maybe watu wataadapt pole but if you just expect them ati simu najua ati there are numbers to call nini, watu wapigangi hizo simu. Hata 911 yenyewe watu wanapiganga. Vitu zingine unakuta mimi niko na namba ya constable niko na namba ya constable police station, so I'm calling him, I'm not even calling the line itself because maybe the line they don't have a clear communication on how
kuna
to
hizi lines za ambulance na nini.
so nakuta we don't have a like streamlined system. Kama tuseme kwa wazungu they have a streamlined system, wanajua if I have this problem call 911 in 3 minutes.
Hata hao wako na streamline na bado they still have
bado kuna hiyo issue bado watu
they-
hawana.
my idea
bado ni
is
kidogo.
my idea
Yes,
is
especially for men.
trying to customize the problem according to how we have
Lakini
it.
uzal tuta customize kiasi gani?
That's the problem. So
I
anza
think
to like
tunaona I believe
Just
we are
start.
shifting from the main topic.
No,
we
hiyo
are trying to solve
awareness
kwa sababu
iko.
kumbuka we are winding up. So we are trying to come up with a conclusion kwamba
How do we
Open
come
up.
out of this hole? How
Yeah.
do we come out of this problem?
because
Like,
hiyo like bottling up ndio inaleta hiyo.
so services ziko way out of men opening up ziko, yeah, but it's how do we get the men to take up these services? How do we get the men to even speak up to their friend?
Me the first thing I'll say, start with the family setup. At least family setup kidogo hapo, judgment maybe kwa chini. Almost
Are you
most
sure?
of your
You
family
see, that's
members
where you learn your
Ni
judgment.
mi nasema-
POV
I'm just
yake.
saying,
Me, I'm
'cause
just-
you see your
mi
judgment
nasema-
style is
I'm
built
trying-
there.
I'm trying to create a scenario kwamba first aid, hii ni kama first aid,
First
like
aid.
Uh-huh.
wale tayari wanakujua, wanajua fulani anakuanga hivi, so if you come to them with a certain problem,
And
finally
low-key
he's
they
coming,
want the best for
maybe
you.
you are unapproachable, maybe finally he's coming, so maybe kulikuwa na mtu tu anangojea kusaidia ama kuadvise, maybe anaona huyu wacha ajilete kwanza, maybe tunamgojea afike nyumbani ni nini. I've seen some people even ndo anakuwa advice, maybe anaambia tunaona vile unaenda kijana, maybe you need to do this,
to do
do this,
something.
yeah, do this, wachana na hii, wachana na like they're trying to advise you. Maybe if you're positive enough, you're taking the input wanajaribu kupatia the advices na nini. So maybe I can say start from the family point na
Now this individual man,
sometimes
what will you tell him?
try to
Enda kwenu.
try
Sure.
to
Based on Uzal's
based on my
statement.
like look for your people. That's the
Sasa
kwenu kukujia.
wewe unaishi
kwenu,
wapi?
kwenu
Unaishi
kufuate.
Tao. Okay? Niende
Na you're
nitafute
broke.
mtu huko.
hata kama ushago kwenu ni
Busia.
hata kama ushago kwenu ni wapi ni Ngara. Hapo ndo
Lakini
ushago kwenu.
sijaishi na
Kuna-
yeye, wameniona tu nikiwa mdogo.
Try to look for that setup kwa sababu wengi nyo ambayo mostly wanafika to extremes, they don't have that support system. Kuna wengine wanastiriana, mtu anakustiri, I know my brother, I know my sister kuna hii shida, so
ni
najua
kutafuta a
the
support
only way
system from
mimi ni
starting from a
kumshika
family.
by force, maybe like unamhanda unamwambia you need this help, you need it. Like such
And just
either wewe
encouraging
ndo
them to look
upokee hiyo
for help.
support ama utoe hiyo support, like try to, hata kama unaona mtu ana rebel ama nini. Juu kuna wengi wamepatikana maybe mpaka anafika kwa TV as a big personality, alafu sasa wakati
wengine
amefika kwa
wanatafuta
TV
Na hata familia yake
kuna
ijue ako na
wengine
hiyo shida.
like it has been very bad, mpaka mwingine maybe mwishowe saa amejik
Yeah, alifariki alijua.
yeah, like sasa family maybe
Yeah.
they come out after wamwona kwa TV, sule ni fulani so the family
Na hata
comes out
kutuambia
wanasema
kuna shida.
yeah
But
family
again, you see, people with, you see, you are giving a lot of responsibility towards people with already
Hapana,
mental
Sheikh.
health to reach out.
no
Tayari mjamaa ana drown, na
hapo
bado
ndo
anataka
nimesema
yeye
Wewe
mwenyewe
kama
That's
ndo
why-
family,
that's why
reach out
nimesema-
first. Usingoje kuapproach Shehali.
Yeah.
Nikikuona leo haukaikai vizuri nikuulize Sheikh, uko sawa? Is everything going okay at home? You see, I'm at least lending a hand. Sasa wewe ukiamua
So-
utajijudge, remain kwa bubble yako, you're making the work of other people
Yeah, in my
difficult.
opinion-
So unaona,
But
sasa
ngoja
unaona,
Sheikh.
you see,
Okay,
you
maybe
reached out.
ngoja, how,
Don't
maybe
you did not wait for them to reach out.
yeah, yes, we are reaching out, and maybe like from a family setting, wewe kama brother, sister, just find out how people doing.
so
Exactly.
hiyo tu
Me-
ndo mi nasema
You're
that
exactly with me on that side.
That's
'Cause
the
me, I'm saying
approach.
you should not expect always mtu mwenye kuna mental health issues ye ndo akutafute.
yeah ndio nasema that's why I said it goes two ways kwamba you apply to your family members na pia they should try to apply to you, like try reaching out to ule unaona kweli huyu ana shida huyu my brother has this problem, my dad has this. Kama unakuta maybe you have learned it to compartmentalize from your father maybe so maybe you try to unlearn it na una teach wengine na watoto wako na make sure
No compartment. Hey, burudi wa-
Like you're categorizing your issues.
compartmentalizing ile
You see,
put
me,
them-
I find that that's okay. The problem is you put lead on each and every one of them.
You
Because
close them.
Yes,
And
that's the problem.
That day when it opens
Yes,
up,
they
what
all
do you
open
do?
together. See.
You'll explode. No,
When
we are
Nairobi, we are
not. No,
not in
Sheikh,
Nakuru.
we are not advocating for that. We are not advocating for people to keep in their
No.
issues.
I'm just saying that whatever he said, me I find it good. Because unaona, you can separate between your mental issues,
work,
your home
nini.
issues, your work issues, issues that can be fixed, issues that they need help, issues that unaona. But
Useless issues,
my
unajua
problem
these are
is
just-
Sheikh, don't forget that it's the same person who's
missing my
experiencing
point.
all this
No,
thing, all
yes,
these
it is the
issues.
same person.
And one issue could affect the way they carry themselves out at work, at home, when they're with their friends.
That's a different perspective.
Shahali.
Yeah,
So this putting or rather categorizing all issues that can't be
Yes.
solved, home issues, work issues, hapana.
Si unaweza
Ukikuwa na
kutackle
home
one by
issues,
one,
ukikuja
easier.
kazi utakuja tu anze kukasirikia watu out of the blues, na sisi hatujui kwa nini unakasirika, but ni because umebeba home issue unaileta kwa work.
Sasa si ndo watu nasema usilete shida za nyumbani kazini.
But Sheikh, do you
That's a
know
work
you,
policy.
do you know what happens? You actually don't bring the home issue. Like your body just stops working. Okay,
Why?
utajikuta tu you are angry. You're
but-
shouting at everyone,
so
or you've just gone silent.
But
Not because
conclusion-
you want to carry that home issue here, but your body can't just do it. So you need to solve it so that you are
So
able
mimi-
to operate well.
mimi on my part nimetoa solution, that starting point like the family start with the family setup. Mi naweza sema hiyo ndio the first solution is attack kuanzia hapo, start with your close people.
Like you don't wait for this person, just reach out. Hata kama si atu ngoja kwe na issue kwanza, just speak to them. Be
Hiyo
in
ndio mi
constant
nasema hiyo ni kama the
communication.
first point of nini like contact na nini na starting to solve the situation hiyo tu.
Sure.
You see, we have a few things. One, I remember just on Uzal's statement, not mine. There was a documentary or something sijui nini. I remember kuna some mental health group in South Africa, Manabimbia. After looking like trying to reach people with problems, yes, they realized that, especially for women, I think it was a woman group
Yeah,
or something.
it was
They
women.
realized that the best method to reach these kids, these teenagers, these nini, is not through kuweka programs, is through educating their grandmothers.
Yeah.
So they educate
So
these
walihack.
grandmothers,
Aha.
yes, like wakawafundisha, wakaelezea the sign, like the general the
Counseling
thing, the
procedures.
general, yes,
Yeah.
not yeah,
Not
the
just
general,
basics,
yes, yes.
first aid
So
counseling.
yeah, so and
Kwanza matokeo
wakaona vitu
yakaonekana.
zikaanza zikichange
So you see
automatically
hiyo ni
because-
customized,
yes, that's
they customize kwa sababu wameangalia how do we reach them ni hapa
Yes.
na hapa na
So the other, on my side, I would say one thing. Unfortunately, until you face someone in real with an open arm with mental health, or be part of those people with mental health, hakuna siku utaielewa. It's very hard for you to understand it through theories, advertisement, lectures na nini. And as a sheikh, I would encourage like my fellow sheikhs, obviously our community leaders, nini, not to talk like kila mtu siku hizi I've seen it, yes, like you just throw it within your lecture like, and mental health is important, like na mtu mwenye mental health saa zingine
it's not enough, yeah,
anasema like just using nice words, ni kama siku hizi kila mtu vile anatumia some fancy disorders nini just to look colorful, diagnose nini. Yes but again I've met people with serious ADHD, like I know how bad it is, naona like it can cripple your life,
si label ya kujiwekea tu.
Yeah, for those who have it, like it literally can cripple your life, like how move on in life, but you are brilliant, like you have so much power and energy,
and you notice that this issue, it's affecting you holistically.
Yes.
Same case with any mental health issue.
Yes. Sasa unaona, so what happens is first of all is we need to speak about it and not just
and encourage people to seek out
results haizi kuwa immediate, but
it's never, hakuna siku yenyewe wanasema the problem did not come immediately. So the results should not also come the same way.
Okay.
It will take people
to be fair.
To be fair, yes. And I think such platforms like this conversation we've had is also one of the ways or avenues ambazo we create awareness on mental health issues and for people to reach out. Ukiwa na shida usiogope. It doesn't make you feel less of a person whether you're a male or female when you share
on paper
the issues that you have. Now, kuna different form of counseling. If you're not able to go sit down with someone face to face, there's the tele-counseling. Just pick up a phone call, mwambie so I need help. Where do I start? And you'll be surprised you will get that help.
What is the number of tele-counseling?
Red Cross has one. I've forgotten the number, but just check on their website or on their social media platforms. They'll be able to assist you. And I think this will be a good place to end this conversation. Is it a free? Yes. It's a free online.
Yeah, it's
yes. So the help is there. To jaribu kutoka in our bubble. I know it is very, very difficult, but just make that one step. Yeah. It could save your life or even save someone else's life.
But it will happen maybe. At least to some extent. Watu wakiwa na they know how to handle such cases.
Yes.
But
yes, please do not feel bad. Do not feel embarrassed to share about your issue. It could be happening to you for the first time, but there's nothing new under the sun, honestly. There's nothing new under the sun. And with that, we end our episode today on Halfful, where we're discussing about why men struggle to open up. You men at home, it does not make you feel, or rather, it doesn't make you a weak man when you open up. Their channels, try reach out to them. Until next time, ma salam. Bye.